Locked out of your Gmail? I've got you. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you the exact recovery path that actually works. Here's the playbook. Open a browser and go to 𝐓𝐡𝐞𝐜𝐫𝐚, not a random site, this one only. Step 1. Enter your Gmail address. If you see try another way, use it. Step 2. Last password. If you remember any old password that was correct at some point, enter it. Even if it's months old, it helps. If not, skip. Step 3. Device and location. Try the recovery flow from the device and Wi-Fi you used most for this account. Homework your main phone. Familiar signals boost your chances. If you can, do it at the usual time you used to log in. Step 4. Recovery phone or email. If you set one up, Google will send a code. Get the code, enter it once, and never share it with anyone. If you don't have access, tap I don't have my phone or try another way. Step 5. Two-step verification. If you had prompts on your phone, keep that phone online and unlocked. Check for Google prompts, authenticator codes, backup codes you saved. No backup codes? Search your files, screenshots, password manager for an 8-digit set. Step 6. Identity questions. You might see, when did you create this account? Think month and year. Check old welcome emails, photos, app signups for clues. If nothing sticks, here's a reset strategy. Try again in 24 to 48 hours from a familiar device and network. Don't churn attempts back to back. Too many fails can hurt your trust score. Keep answers consistent. Small differences can reset the process. Once you're back in, lock it down. Security checkup. 𝐓𝐴𝐞𝐜𝐫𝐚𝐫𝐤 Checkup. Update recovery phone and email. Turn on two-step verification. Add prompts. Add authenticator. Add a security key. Generate and store backup codes offline. Common mistakes to avoid. Using incognito or VPN during recovery. Hurts your familiar signals. Clearing cookies right before recovery. Keep your usual browser state. Sharing codes with helpers. No legit support will ask for them. Quick proof this works. These are Google's official flows. Doing them from a known device and network is the #1 difference between success and frustration. I see it every week. Need hands-on help? Send us a message for professional assistance with account recovery. Check the video description or the pinned comment to contact our professional recovery team. We'll guide you through step by step. No passwords or codes ever required. If this helped, drop a like so more people can find it. And once you're back in, take 2 minutes to add backup codes. That's your safety net for next time. You've got this. Start at 𝐓𝐴𝐞𝐜𝐫𝐚 and follow along.